Omukubisi w'ekikolwa ng'olukulu Anitamongo agobye alipoota okuva mu minisitule y'ebyenjigiriza n'ebyemizannyo ku kulumbibwa okw'essomero erya Lubiriha Secondary School e Kasese. Muno mwafiiramu abantu abakunukkiriza 50 omuli abayizi n'abantu ba bulijjo. Mu kusooka sipiika abadde alagidde minisita ow'ebyenjigiriza okuleeta alipoota ku bulumbaganyi buno era nga ne Ssaabaminisita Robinah Nabbanja abadde akikkiriza.
I want to call upon the Minister of State for Higher Education, who was at site, to come and give us a statement on what his findings are and what government is planning to do. And also the Minister of Internal Affairs was also there. I'm happy the Prime Minister also is in the house. They should be able to give us a statement on what happened and what we are planning to do as government.
We all know what happened in Kasese, a regrettable incident, and the government is going to present a report or a statement through the Minister of Education. This is for the school.
Minisita omubeezi w'ebyenjigiriza John Kizese Omuyingo abadde azze okwanja alipoota, wabula omubaka wa munisipaali ya Kira Ibrahim Ssemujjunganda n'asaba okulambikibwa ng'ono alaze nti obuvunaanyizibwa buno buli mu minisitule ey'ebyokwerinda.
We have also passed here policies that are not overseen by the wife of the president. You can't run this country in that way, where your wife says, "Darling, can I be the one to speak about the attack in Kasese?" Okay, baby, go ahead. This matter, we need the minister responsible for defense. We passed money here and gave it to defense to defend Uganda's borders. The Honorable Jesse Muyingo is a very obedient and loyal person. Even what he shouldn't do, he wants to do. I don't know what he was doing in the Kasese at a scene of a crime.
Ono abadde akyalambika ensonga ye, sipiika n'akyusa ekiragiro kye ky'abadde afulumiza ku alipoota era takkiriza kukikubaganyaako birowoozo.
It was in a school. It was in a school. Honorable members, Honorable Ssemujju is raising a very serious issue. Can we have a report tomorrow from defense? Defense, we will not discuss anything. Let's get a report from defense. Okay? Yeah, let's not gamble.
Palamenti ekungubaligidde abantu abafiira e Kasese awamu n'omulamuzi Stella Alachamok eyavudde mu bulamu bw'ensi eno era sipiika avumiridde obulumbaganyi buno.
And we want to condemn this loss in the strongest terms. And such acts should very unproductive, should be investigated, and the perpetrators should be brought to book. It's a very, very bad incident. Eyes of Lady Justice Stella Arach Amoko, the Justice of Supreme Court. The deceased had an illustrious career as a judicial officer. We want to condone with the family.
N'olubadde lutuula lwa kusatu okuva omwaka gwa Palamenti ogwokusatu lwe gwatandika era ajjukiza ababaka nga bwe bateekeddwa okuwa ekitiibwa entuula za Palamenti zonna. Ono ategeeza nti ssabbiiti ejja nga Palamenti yakufulumya enkola y'ababaka omwaka ogwa Palamenti oguwedde.
Honorable members, in line with my undertaking during the State of National Address and the budget speech, we agreed regular attendance and participation both in the House and committee, and based on that we are making sure that the biometric finger login are working, and next week we will be publishing the attendance and performance of the last session. We do accountability to our people.
Palamenti era ekyusiza ababaka abatula ku bukiiko obw'enjawulo ne bassentebe baabo. Kigongo ku lwa Channel 44 Oluggulo.